How to buy Magic Money Computers token. So this token came under the symbol of MMC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago and increased by 500% in less than 4 hours. This token trending number 7 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, open your phone to my wallet for that. Now I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now click here on swap. Now make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet and copy the token address from here as you can see. Now open the function wallet as you can see. Click on swap. Now click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token, click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token as you can see here. Now click here to select the provider. So select the provider from here, for example Jupiter, click on apply and now go back, make sure to read all that information and click on swap and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy MMC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.